just try and do small makeup on her face. My mother, they smell like pig. I ain't like that. She don't reach her village. See, I'm not sorry point. See, finally, they smell like pig. Madam,
what are you doing to me?
I'm trying to practice makeup on your face.
Me what?
So you look so beautiful.
Are you okay?
I'm very okay. Madam, you see, they see me your cooker, they do makeup. You know what they do me, they do like old woman. Are you young oh? If you senior me like maybe they bought me January, they bought me first week of February. What are you doing like this?
Come on, leave my face. Are you okay?
Madam, let me finish it now.
I can tell you are not okay at all. You are not okay at all.
I'm very okay. If you don't want my makeup, wear glasses, I beg glasses. Sleep back. At least I've helped you. You are snoring. With the makeup has not stopped the sneezing, the snoring.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, gosh.
How did I employ a mad woman into my house?
I'm not a mad woman. I'm just trying to help your life. Don't you have visitors? At least when your visitors, when they see your face, say, look at this, my friend. She looking so beautiful, more beautiful woman. Well, if you don't want me to finish the makeup, no problem. Maybe next time.
Definitely, this woman is not normal.